Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about southern blotting, northern blotting and western blotting. Different types of blotting techniques are used to identify unique protein and nucleic acid sequence. Southern, northern and western blotting protocol we will discuss in this lecture. And separation of protein and nucleic acid and fragment on a gel, which are then transferred to the membrane, which is nitrocellulose and PVDF, polyvinylidene difluoride membrane, where they may be immobilized. This enable to radio labeled or enzymatically label antibody or DNA probes to bind the immobilized target, and the molecules of the interest may then visualize with various method. Blotting techniques are selected based on the target molecules. Target molecules, where in southern blotting we have isolate the DNA, in northern blotting we have isolate RNA, in for the with the western blotting we can take a proteins. In a southern blotting we can extract DNA enzymatic digestion. In other northern blotting we can extract RNA isolation. In western blotting, as I told, protein extraction. And separate all three western blotting separated by the electrophoresis. And for membrane, in southern and northern blotting we can use nylon membrane, and in western blotting we will use nitrocellulose membrane. And probes we are using in southern blotting nucleic acid probe, and in northern blotting we can use RNA DNA oligonucleotide, and in western blotting we can use primary antibodies. And the probe labeled by the radio label enzymes. And both in southern and northern blotting we can label our probes with the radio label enzyme, and in western blotting we can enzymes. Detection methods are xRNA film, chemical sciences, and southern blotting. In southern blots are used to determine the identify size evidence of specific DNA sequence. The southern blot protocols begin with the DNA extraction from the cell or tissue, which is the enzymatically digest to produce DNA fragments. The fragments are separated by the size or on a agarose or polyacrylamide gel. By electrophoresis, small fragments will migrate further to the gel than the larger ones. Following electrophoresis, the DNA on the gel is transferred by the nylon membrane. The membrane is incubated with the nucleic acid probes that has a sequence homologous to the target sequence, and it's labeled with the radioactivity fluorescent dye or an enzyme capable of generating a chemical signals. Hybridization of sequence occur during incubation, and the unhybridized probe is removed by the washing with the buffer. Southern blotting protocol. First of all, you have isolate DNA. After the restriction digestion, digest the DNA with restriction enzyme. It's necessary concentrate with digest DNA. After that, you have to done gel electrophoresis. Prepare an agarose gel. Either with TAE or TBA buffer. Selection will depend on the duration of run and the size of the DNA. Load sample into the wells, include the DNA molecules, weight, maker, run the gel. After that, we have to transfer. Place the gel into a container with the denaturing solution and wash twice for 15 minutes on the shaker. Rinse with water, then wash with neutralized solution. During the previous step, begin to prepare watchment paper and nylon membrane for the transfer. Assemble the transfer apparatus with the membrane, watchment paper, and the gel transfer is the SSPE buffer. When the transfer is completed, cross-link DNA is the cross-linker, then the reach the membrane. Then after the pre-hybridization, that means we can call as a blocking. Blocking reduce non-specific binding to the membrane. Prepare the pre-hybridization solution. Add sample DNA. Remove the blot from the cross-linker and the pre-hybridization solution and the incubated. Hybridization. Prepare the probe mixture and the buffer, remove the pre-hybridization solution and incubate the blot with the prop. Then we have to follow incubation, perform a low stringency wash followed by the high wash of the refine the DNA. After the prop detection, rinse the water, transfer and container with blocking solution and the incubate. Discard blocking solution, replace with antibody solution, incubate. Discard antibody solution, wash the membrane. After that, we can detect in chemical instrument detection. So this is all about southern blotting.